Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Cash App account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up Cash App. Then top right here at the person's icon to open up your account information. Then just scroll down until you find support. And then right here at the search bar type in colos. Just like that. At the very top, it shows you close your Cash App account. Just tap on that. And now it says that closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. So, if you would like to have your account closed permanently, just stop at that confirm button. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.